Most students don't run out of math ability on the SAT. They run out of time. If you fix pacing, you stop donating points to the clock. And that is a skill you can train. Time pressure does not mean writing faster on every problem. It means spending minutes where points are easiest to earn. Here's the digital SAT math format. 2 modules, 22 questions each, 35 minutes per module. That's about 1 minute 35 seconds per question on average. But questions are not equally hard. 2 timed modules back-to-back reward stamina. So practice full sessions, not just one-off problems. Treating every item like it deserves the same effort is one of the fastest ways to fall behind. Think in tiers. Questions 1 through 12 are usually the easy tier. The test roughly moves from easier to harder, not perfectly, but enough to plan your energy. Aim for roughly 45 to 60 seconds each. They should feel almost automatic. Fly through these. If you debate for 3 minutes here, you are borrowing from problems that actually need the time. Do not overthink a simple linear equation because you are worried about a harder problem later. Questions 13 through 18 are the medium tier. Budget about 90 seconds each. Call it 1 minute 30. This is the bridge zone. The problems start asking for more steps and the wording gets denser. They need care, watch signs, read wordy prompts twice, show quick mental work, but they are built to be finished. Medium items punish carelessness more than cleverness. Slow down just enough to stay accurate. Questions 19 through 22 are the hard tier. Give yourself 2 to 3 minutes when needed. You earn that time by moving quickly on the easier items. This is where patience pays. Hard problems might need 2 representations, a clever substitution, or testing cases. Protect time for that thinking. 35 minutes divided by 22 questions is about 1.6 minutes each if you spent evenly, but tier pacing beats that naive average. Visually, the module ramps, short green bars, taller yellow bars, then the tallest red cluster at the end. Think of your 35 minutes as a budget. Spend small slices early, reserve thick slices for the endgame. Module 2 uses the same 35-minute cage. Treat it like a fresh sprint. Reset your pacing plan, not your panic. Mentally, split the module into 3 chunks: early sprint, middle grind, end game. Each chunk gets a different mindset. That leads to the flag strategy. If you're stuck longer than 2 minutes, flag the question. Pick a reasonable answer and move on and come back later with fresh eyes. Grinding in place rarely helps. Never leave a question blank. There is no penalty for guessing, and a guess might be right. Desmos is a power tool on the digital SAT. Use it to graph, find intersections, and test answer choices. Sometimes plugging in beats solving algebraically, and it is faster when the problem is secretly graphical. Quick checklist: graph the situation, zoom to the window, then test the answer choices that still make sense. The classic mistake is spending 4+ minutes on one hard item, while rushing the easy ones. One careless error on an easy question costs the same as missing a tough problem. So protect the easy points first. Pro tip: take practice tests under real timing. Aim to finish each module with 3 to 5 minutes left for review. That buffer turns I had no time to recheck into I got 2 silly mistakes. Use the buffer to revisit flags first, then scan for transcription errors, not to restart a hard problem from zero. Recap: tier your pacing. Easy items fast, medium items careful, hard items patient. Flag problems that stall you, use Desmos strategically, and never mortgage easy questions to chase hard ones. Your score is a portfolio, not a trophy for one heroic solution on question 22. Wrong pacing, equal minutes per question. Right pacing, short minutes early, long minutes late. Flags when stuck. Practice more on NovaMaths.